Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can run Google Chrome in your favorite Macintosh operating system, then you're in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of Google Chrome on your Mac machine correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, copy this link. I have provided this direct download link in the video description. Now open Safari browser, then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading the latest version of Google Chrome for Mac OS. Now click on this blue download Chrome button. It will redirect you to Chrome downloads page. It says thank you for downloading Chrome, but there is no download started yet. So click on where is my download link. Then click on retry download. We need to allow downloads. Click on allow button. Now you can see our Google Chrome DMG file is started downloading here. It's around 95 MB file at the time of recording. It will take some time to download. All depends on your internet connection speed. Our Chrome installer setup file is downloaded successfully. Right click on this file and select Show in Finder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file to start the installation process. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. It will take some time to install. Now drag Google Chrome to application folder. It will copy Google Chrome to applications. Again, it will take some time to complete. Now you can see Google Chrome is installed here. You can now safely close this window. And also we don't need this package file anymore. So simply right click on it and select Eject Google Chrome. You can open Google Chrome by pressing Command plus space and write Google Chrome in the search bar and then hit enter. For the first time, it will pop up this prompt. You can safely click on Open button. Set Google as a default browser and finally click on Start Google Chrome. Do you want to change your default browser to Chrome? Click on Use Chrome button. Click on Get Started button. Pick your favorite background. I'm selecting Earth here and then click on Next button. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Google Chrome on your Mac machine. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to download and install applications on your Mac machine easily. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.